Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the previous video we have learned different vocabularies related to body parts. We focused on the face and the parts related to. Today we are going to cover the second part of vocabulary related to body parts. Here we go. Les parties du corps, partie 2. Number 1, la pomme d'Adam, which is the Adam's apple. Number 2, le cou, which is the neck. Les épaules, the shoulders. If you want to say the shoulder, l'épaule. I repeat again, les épaules, l'épaule. Number 4, le dos, which is the back. Number 5, le ventre, which is the tummy. Number 6, le nombril, which is the belly button. And finally, le derrière, which is the bum. Let's have a look at the list again.
La pomme d'Adam, the Adam's apple, le cou, the neck, les épaules, the shoulders, le ventre, the tummy or the belly, le dos, the back, le nombril, the belly button, le derrière.
Let's practice. We are going to use a word from the list in a sentence. For example, how to say he has a big tummy.
Il a un gros ventre. Il a un gros ventre.